USB mouse not working on Windows 10 computer, and we are going to see 8 different troubleshooting methods to resolve this issue. So let's go ahead and start the troubleshooting. Method number 1. So the method number 1 is to disconnect USB mouse and reconnect it again to the USB port. Also check with different USB ports if it is working or not. Check with other computer or laptop as well. So before going ahead, I would like to say, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. So the method number 2 is to restart or shut down the computer. And to shut down the computer, open the run box with Windows key plus R on your keyboard and then type CMD and hit enter. Type shutdown space -s space -t space 00 and hit enter to shut down the computer. So the computer is now shutting down. Remove the mouse connected to the computer and reconnect it again. Power on the computer and check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, we have to follow another troubleshooting method, and method number 3 is to check if mouse is enabled or not. Open the run box and type dev mgmt.msc, hit enter. It would open the device manager. You have to press tab key on your keyboard and your computer name would be highlighted. Just press down arrow key and select mice and other pointing devices. Press right arrow key to expand this, and here you will find HID compliant mouse. You have to press shift key plus F10 on your keyboard to get the menu over here, and then check if the device is currently enabled or not. If device is not currently enabled, then you have to enable the device. Currently my device is enabled and that's why it is showing disabled device. If the device is disabled on your computer, you will find enable device option over here. So you have to press the enter key to enable the device. Let's shut down the computer or restart the computer. Disconnect the mouse from your computer and check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, you have to follow another troubleshooting method. Method number 4 is to reinstall mouse driver, and to reinstall the mouse driver, you have to open the device manager. To open the device manager, open the run box and then type dev mgmt.msc. It would open the device manager. You have to press the tab key on the keyboard and then press the down arrow key to select mice and other pointing devices. Just expand it with right arrow key and then press the down arrow key to select the mouse and press shift plus F10 key to open the menu. Select uninstall device and then press enter key on your keyboard to uninstall the device. It would open the uninstall device window, and then delete the driver software for this device is currently selected. You have to press space bar to check this option and then press tab key on the keyboard to select uninstall. Then hit enter to uninstall the device. Now you have to restart the computer, and to restart the computer, hit enter key on your keyboard and it would restart your computer. Computer is now restarted, and you have to check if the USB mouse is working or not. If the USB mouse is still not working, you have to follow another troubleshooting method. So method number 5 is to change the power settings, and to change the power settings, you have to open the device manager. With the same process, open the run box and type dev mgmt.msc. Use tab key to select the computer name and then again select mice and other pointing devices. So select the device. It would be HID compliant device, and you have to press shift key plus F10 key on your keyboard to, and then press the down arrow key to select properties and then hit enter. So use a tab key to select a general. Now general is selected. Use right arrow key to shift between tabs. Okay, power management is not here. I will show you on this machine, and then hit properties. Use a tab key. Use arrow key to shift into tabs. Once power management tab is selected, you have to check if allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is disabled or not. If this is currently enabled, you have to press the tab key to select it and then uncheck this option. Currently it is not highlighted, so this is not going to be disabled or enabled, but in your case if it is highlighted and if you can select it, then just uncheck this option. Then use tab key to select OK button and then hit enter to close this. Use Alt plus F4 to close this window. Check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then restart the computer once and again check if the issue resolves or not. Method number 6 is to run the hardware troubleshooter, and to run the hardware troubleshooter you have to open the run box and then type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Hit enter and it would open the hardware and devices troubleshooting window. Then click on advanced over here, select apply repairs automatically and then click on next. It will start detecting the problems for you and it will apply the fixes. So for me it is giving me a message that troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. For you it could be different, it would show the problem and it will fix the problem for you. So close the troubleshooter and then check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then we have to follow another troubleshooting method, and method number 7 is to check for malwares. So install Malwarebytes on your computer. Download the Malwarebytes, open the Chrome or any browser and type Malwarebytes download. Open malwarebytes.com. Open the Malwarebytes and then scan your computer for detecting malwares on your machine. Once the scan is complete, remove the malwares and quarantine them. If none of the method is working for you, check if the mouse is in warranty. Visit the manufacturer's website, take a customer care's number or email address or chat with them to get a replacement for your mouse. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.